Hi everyone, welcome back. As we all know, COVID-19 is a respiratory illness affecting the people of Ireland. To stay safe, we need to follow the following guidelines. Today we're going to talk to you about sneeze and cough etiquette. First, we're going to show you the wrong way to cough and sneeze. This is not what you should do. As you can see here, Nurse Laura sneezes into her hands, which is the wrong way to cover her sneeze. Now we're going to show you the right way to cover your sneeze. The right way to cover your sneeze or cough is by doing so into your elbow, like Nurse Laura does here. We can then go get a tissue to wipe our nose and make sure you dispose of the tissue straight away into the bin. You can then apply some sanitizer and rub into your hands until dry. This gets rid of all the germs. It's so important that we cover our coughs and sneezes properly to stop the spread of germs that make people sick.